Thanks to this method, you can have hydrangeas for free. You don't need a greenhouse or any special gardening products for this process. All you need are potatoes. The period from June to August is the perfect time to propagate new hydrangea cuttings. Hydrangea cuttings grow very quickly. Take a hydrangea stem with leaves, but without a flower. Remove some of the leaves from the stem. Then, cut off the lower part of the stem. After that, spray it with a disinfectant. This reduces the risk of the plant rotting. Repeat these steps 3 times. Now prepare the potatoes. Cut them into squares, making sure to remove the skin. Only the juicy inside of the potato should be used. Prepare pots with soil and drainage holes at the bottom. Then place the potato pieces in the pots along with the prepared hydrangea stems. After about 20 days, you should notice new leaves. This is a sign that the hydrangeas have developed roots and started to grow. Transplant the plants into separate larger pots and continue caring for them as before. By spring, you'll be able to plant the young shrubs in the ground. And just like that, you have new flowers completely for free.